Imagine that you have become successful. Now, would you leave each and everything to understand why you have become successful? Well, Bob Proctor did exactly the same. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Dynamic Bucks. It's all about how billionaires and millionaires are what they are. Coming back to the story, Bob Proctor started asking himself why he has become the millionaire, why it's still a fantasy to other people, what he was doing, what other people were not doing. Was he doing something extra? No, because many other people were reading Think and Grow Rich, many other people were cleaning the offices, but what extra he was doing? And to know that, he started studying himself like a scientist. Straightforward, for 9 years he studied himself. In order to do that, he also sold out his cleaning business. He got tutored by Earl Nightingale. Yes, the Dean of the Personal Development. He went on to work with the Nightingale Conant Institute, and therein he got directly tutored by Earl Nightingale straight for 5 years. And therein he learned all the concepts of the personal development as well as the law of attraction. Conant put him in touch with another book, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Bottles. And after him, he worked with Jack Canfield, who is the author of the Chicken Soup series, and together they built on the program for the masses on how to get rich from the philosophy of the science of getting rich. He learned the basics of creating the company from these two great people, and later on went on to become the CEO of his own company. He created the chain of 19 companies, which included seminars, training session and one-on-one session to help the individuals become prosperous. He would listen to so many of the individuals and solve their problems on the daily basis. And he studied day in and day out because he needed to be the living example of whatever he was teaching, so that the masses can believe him, of course. And nextly, he worked with Larry King, he worked with Ellen on their TV shows, and again spread this idea of prosperity. He is a great teacher of law of attraction or law of vibration, and he wrote one book. He wrote several books, but one of his most famous books is You Were Born Rich. Yes, if you were to meet Bob Proctor and tell him that I want to be rich, he'll tell you that you are already rich, just short of money. Now coming to the basics, what actually Bob Proctor did to become a millionaire or to be at that stage. He listened to this recording by Earl Nightingale, The Strangest Secret, 1,000 times. He will sweep the offices and he would at the same time listen to the tape recording of the same. He listened to the Nightingale's recording at least for 1,000 times, day in and day out for several years in the row. And therein he found out that what actually changed was his paradigm, his self-image of his. See, he doesn't have any kind of formal education, he don't have any business experience, and he doesn't consider himself to be smart or lucky. So what has changed? There must be something which changed. And he worked upon himself to find out. And when he found out what actually has changed, what was therein, he couldn't wait to express it to everyone. He couldn't wait. He wanted to tell to each individual like what exactly has changed, because his paradigm shifted. See, what is paradigm? Paradigm is a Greek word which means belief, or what we say in the general conditioner as conditioning. We are being conditioned from childhood, right? But he has this unique ability to teach about the mindset, and he also believes in the self-image. You need to have a new self-image of yourself. You need to consistently work upon yourself. You need to think. See, he has pointed out that what is lacking in the education system, it is the thinking part which is lacking. So put it into the crux. Bob Proctor sold out his cleaning business in order to understand what has changed within him, and he took another 9 years to figure out what actually changed. His self-image of himself changed, his paradigms changed, and he came into that category, that topmost 5% category which are prosperous, which live the lifestyle they want. He went on from one great mentor to another great mentor, and he learned about the secrets of life, about the universal laws of the life. He owns Proctor Gallagher Institute in the recent scenario, in the recent timings, and the story of the formation of Proctor Gallagher Institute that I'll be sharing with you in the next video part. And guys, Do subscribe onto this channel and let me know into the comment section about whose life story you want to know.